Hey, what's up you guys, it's Sammie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this week's video, as you read by the title, we are going to be unboxing a birthday gift from Okay Ganda Gift Shop on Instagram. So they are a K-pop shop wherein they do bring in official merchandise from Korea. Kai was very kind enough to give me this for my birthday and I'm super thankful because it's very hard to find this. Like, pre-orders take so long to get here, so I'm very thankful that I am going to be opening this today. But yeah, before I open this, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell or the notification box to know I post every Friday. Now let's get on to the video. Let's just open this. I've been looking for this for 2 days for somebody with an on-hand of this. And I posted on my Instagram story asking if anybody had it on hand. And I was willing to pay for it because, you know, it didn't even matter if it was the Korean or the English version as long as I had this. I do actually have the Jungkook one already, but then I really wanted this one because, you know, there is something in here. What the heck? Okay. So I forgot to show you, but that's my address. Here's the packaging that it came in, bubble wrap. And yeah, that's just a gift card and a bubble wrap. I have the Jungkook one, but before that, let me open this first. Oh, it says, "For your heart that is as pure as a gem. Happy birthday, Sammie, from Okay Ganda Gift Shop." And then they put it in a Jungkook paper. It's not focusing. But yeah, there it is. Oh, she gave me two. Oh my god! It's hovering! Oh my god, he's so poor. I love him so much. Damn! I love him. And then there's this. You can see it. It's a Jungkook. I'm gonna keep this because it's a Jungkook paper. Oh my gosh! She did not. She gave me a necklace. And then it has the BTS logo on it with gem. Oh my god, I'm gonna wear it. I love this so much. Yay! Yo, it's so pretty. Wait, let me put this inside. Yay! Thank you so much, Anikai, for the necklace and the photo card of Obi. Oh, buddy, I love him so much. Okay. Okay. Let's open this. Let us open. Okay, let us start with the actual magazine. Has his signature on it. Oh my god! He's so foggy. Love of my life, love of my whole life. My gosh. My god, I cannot deal with this. What a model, I swear. I love it. Oh my god. I can't deal with this. Hey, Lord.
I'm proud.
Thank you so much, Ate Kai, for this talaga. Hindi, I love him so much. He's gonna stay beside my joke cookie one, which is over up there, if you can't see it. Okay. Now for the inclusions. Let's open it. It comes with the acrylic keychain set. Here it is. But it's covered in the blue thing, which I have to remove later. But yeah, there's it. It has like a cover that I need to remove, you know. So there's that. The keychains. It's gonna stay beside Joko over there. Here we have the calendar thing. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, he's so foggy. I don't know if you guys can see it. He's so foggy. Oh my god, this is for the month of April. That's my birth month. And there's May. All of that. I'll post this on my IGTV to give it more detail. But there's that. Yeah, it changes. Oh my god, the winking. I can't. Okay, and then we're down to the last two items. Oh my god. This is it. Okay, so this is the accordion. So here it says to Army, and then V, and then he's so cute. The stamp is his face. And then here it just says BTS goes on. Oh my god. He's so cute. There's this accordion. Oh my god. And then this is the back. He's so cute. Cutie. Okay, so that's the accordion. And then the photo cards. Okay, here we go. And then all of it has his signature on the back, and it also says the icon BTSB. So there's that. That is everything in the Icon magazine, the inclusions and stuff. I do want the group magazine next because it has a lot of inclusions, literally, and the magazine is hardbound. So yeah. But yes. Thank you so much again, Okay Ganda Gift Shop, for sending this to me. I super duper love it. Please do go follow them on Instagram, and then if you want to buy any merch that you want to get here like super duper duper fast, please do go check them out on Instagram. Go give them a follow. Tell them I sent you. Their username is on your screen. And yes, if you guys like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. I'm so thankful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell or the notification box when I post every Friday. Thank you again so much, Ate Kai, for all the gifts. I really don't deserve it. I really don't. But thank you. Shucks. I'll see you guys in another new video next Friday.